and welcome to TonyaLTV. Today on the menu, I will be making Rice Krispie treats, honey dipped in chocolate. So all you'll need to make this happen is some butter, marshmallows, Rice Krispie, and some melted chocolate. Alright guys, this video is going to be fast and a quick little sweet treat, honey. Alright, let's get it going. So I'm going to take my butter. This butter I got from Trader Joe's. I love it. And so I'm just going to take half of it and put it back there in my pan. I already have it heat up. Honey, we're going to get this goodness started. We're going to add our marshmallows and get it like all melted and good consistency. I have my parchment paper here. Now I use the parchment paper because it's so much easier to remove your Rice Krispies, and it's easier, honey, to clean. Okay, we want our kitchen time to be a fun time, not a time where we are in regret. We want to eat these treats with a smile on our face. Alrighty, let's go. Okay, so now that you see this butter is nicely melting, I'm going to dump my lovely marshmallows in, and I'm going to begin that stir. Okay, you want to make sure that all the butter is throughout your marshmallows, and when they start melting, we're going to add our cereal straight on in there, pour it right over into the parchment paper, and melt our chocolate, honey. Okay, you see how the marshmallows are all nice and melt, and it's like a nice marshmallowy creamy sensation, honey. You're gonna pour your Rice Krispies straight on in and start stirring it around. This is so simple, it's easy, and it's yet delicious. I like using real butter when I make mine because I just like that real butter taste. And it, like, you can taste the difference. You can use margarine, but this is just my preference. I like that real butter, honey. It gives it more flavor. All right, I'm gonna make sure this is all mixed up and drop it on my parchment paper, honey, and get ready to melt this chocolate. And we're gonna see something so fabulous, honey. It's gonna make us all happy in this house. Alright guys, I have my Rice Krispies out, and I'm just patting them across this parchment paper, and I'm going to take them out and cut them while my chocolate is melting. And we're just going to dip them in that chocolate, honey, and cut them up and get to the goodness. Okay guys, I am here with my Rice Krispie treats. I have my melted chocolate, and I also have almonds. Now you can use whatever you desire. My main thing that I wanted to do was like a s'mores, and I was gonna crumble up graham crackers, but I forgot. I told my son that he could actually eat the graham crackers, so yeah, we didn't have them to use. And then you're just gonna take it and dip your almonds, or however you want to do it. Then you have like a nice little treat. So I'm going to go ahead and dip these. Some I will leave with chocolate, some I won't, some I'll put almonds on them, and some I will not. Remember to live, love, laugh, and create, hon. Let's get this party jamming and started. But all you're doing is taking your lovely little Rice Krispies, you're dipping them into the chocolate, honey, and whatever else you want to put on them, and you're setting them to the side. Alright guys, until next time.